Ever stared at a pile of receipts, feeling overwhelmed by the thought of manually inputting them all? Or maybe you've tried to use accounting software, only to find it more confusing than helpful. Well, today, we're diving into Wave app, a tool that promises to simplify this process. Let's face it, managing expenses is a necessary evil for any business owner or freelancer. But it doesn't have to be a painful one. So, if you're ready to tame that expense beast, grab your receipts, and let's get started. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another accounting tutorial? Yawn. But trust me, this is different. We're going to cut through the jargon and focus on what really matters, getting your expenses into Wave quickly and easily. Before we dive in, let's talk about why expense tracking is important. It's more than just knowing where your money went. It's about making informed decisions. By tracking expenses, you can identify areas where you're overspending, find potential tax deductions, and improve your overall financial health. Okay, enough about the importance of expense tracking. Let's get to the good stuff. Wave. Understanding the basics. First things first, let's make sure you have a basic understanding of Wave. It's a cloud-based accounting software designed to be user-friendly. It's perfect for small businesses and freelancers who need a simple way to manage their finances. Adding expenses, a step-by-step guide. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, adding expenses. There are a few different ways to do this in Wave, so we'll cover them all. Method 1, manual entry. This is the most basic way to add an expense. It's perfect for those one-off purchases that don't require a receipt. Navigate to the Expenses tab. Click on Add Expense. Fill in the details, date, payee, amount, expense category, and any relevant notes. Click Save. It's that simple. Method 2, importing bank statements. If you have a lot of transactions, manual entry can be time-consuming. Luckily, Wave allows you to import bank statements. Go to the Banking tab. Click on Connect an account. Follow the prompts to link your bank account. Once connected, you can import past statements or set up automatic imports. Wave will categorize transactions as best as it can, but you'll need to review and edit them as needed. Method 3, using the mobile app. Wave also has a mobile app, which is great for capturing expenses on the go. Take a photo of your receipt. The app will extract the details and create an expense draft. Review and submit the expense. Tips for efficient expense tracking. To make the most of Wave, here are a few tips. Create custom expense categories. This will help you track spending more effectively. Use receipts. It's always a good idea to keep physical or digital copies of your receipts. Reconcile regularly. This ensures your records are accurate. Take advantage of automation. Use features like automatic imports and expense categorization to save time. Conclusion. Mastering expense tracking is a game changer for any business. With Wave as your tool, the process becomes much more manageable. Remember, it's not just about inputting numbers, it's about gaining insights into your business. By following these steps and incorporating the tips, you'll be well on your way to financial clarity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.